Wakey, wakey. Not now, Mom. Come on, baby. It's your dear girl, Marie. Oh. You're sleeping, Ma. It's not a school day. You're 18. Come on, wake up. Wake up. Oh, it's just you, Marie. Need something? Well, Blue was asked, well, not Blue, Baby wanted to ask if you want to spar with him. I wish I could, but I'm pooped after the last fight. I see. I see. Can we, can you take my place, if you wish? I will gladly do it for you, my little blueberry. Love you. Love you too, blueberry. Wow. Pretty shocker to see what's going on.
Never thought I'd see the day that my partner's girlfriend's gonna be in a fight. Hey, at least it's gonna be a sparring match. Hey, this is good. It'll help her with her training. Yeah, you guys got that right. Well, let's see the show then.
Okay, guess I'm ready to go. How about you, Ventry? Where you are, Marie? How about you, Burpy?
Looks like you're gonna have to launch a Bakugan out really soon. Flame is already on the battlefield.
Okay then. Wing, you're up. Hey there. Hey! Yeah! Bullseye!
Wow, well, I'll be a Goomba's uncle.
Deep trick for such a dino. Oh yeah? Dino, you say, huh? I'm about to make you re-extinct. Bring it, Burping! Bird slapped you out of the ring.
Saw that coming.
Huh.
Didn't expect that to happen.
That was quicker than I thought. Again?
Yeah, looks like it. She ain't going down without a fight.
Easy, Wing! Quit with the bird slaps. Sorry.
What are you talking about? That bird is like weak than you are. Literally.
Oh, my bad. It's okay, we all make mistakes.
Wow, in addition to being illiterate, can you also not look before you leap?
Flame, be nice. I like to play the fourth, sister. Ventry.
It's the fifth, sis! Oh, are you so bad with numbers?
My friend may be bad at numbers, but he is a true bird warrior.
Whatever, you big fat lizard.
Huh? Wait, what happened?
Big fat lizard, you say, huh? I'm gonna make you eat those words. Guys, Smoker's already in the battlefield. Oh dear, this does not look good.
Oh, yikes. Please play fair.
Oh, we'll play fair after I give her the 1-2 Phoenix Dragon. Never underestimate the martial arts of a dragon.
Didn't see that one coming. Same here.
Nice display of martial arts there. Smoke? Wow. And I thought I was bad at karate.
Squidhead, have you seen yourself in the ring? You are whipping butts like it was nothing. I kinda hate to agree with Drox, but he's right.
I'm kinda scared right now.
Same here, bud.
And me. I even piddled a little. Oh no.
Well, looks like it's down to you, Ventry. Are you ready? Definitely. Okay then. Fly!
Stupid slug.
What else could go wrong? This will be a piece of cake. Enjoy this. We'll see about that. That barely did it. Ouch! Ha! How you like that, huh?
Whoa! Holy smokes! Venture just cut smoke. Venture just cut Flame in half.
Yippee! I win! Whee!
It was worth a shot. Oh, well. Time to go enjoy a nice cold root beer.
What? Say something for Blue, please.
I hate you.
Oh, Ventry.
How dare you call me by your name?
I was joking.
Once I have gained ultimate flame, you will be sorry.
Oh, Flame, don't be jealous. Jealous?
Well, I am kinda, well, mad about it. Well, at least it wasn't a massacre of peacefulness.
You got that right. Wait. Guys? Where the hell's Drox? Did you live for a little belly flopping? Wait, what?
I'm gonna work myself around the clock. Don't share my
Belly flop!
What the? Uh-oh.
golden dino coming through. I'm out here.
What?
Boom! Birdie! Ha ha! Drox! What? This isn't your fight! Oh, come on! Let me belly flop in peace!
Wow, what a lively one he is. Very lively.
lively dinosaur I ever seen in my life. Literally.
That whole ordeal just woke me up from my nap. Just my luck. Okay, new rule. No more giving Red Bull to Drox.
Thanks for watching. If you like Game of the Week and want to be an ongoing series, be sure to drop a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more. Also, I want to apologize for the absence of Fred. He's kind of on a little vacation of some sort. I don't remember where I had him go on vacation, but he'll be back in the next week. Anywho, I'm sure I'll... sorry about that. Anyway, tomorrow will be the day I'll probably film the next episode of Aeon Rider. Maybe next week. It kind of depends on what I think. I hope y'all understand what I'm doing here in terms of these videos. I mean, these things do take time. Please understand that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.